Is it the right time to buy or sell Uber stock? Today, we're diving deep into Uber, providing you with an even more detailed analysis than our initial report published on Monday, February 5, 2024. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Stay updated on our latest analysis to avoid missing any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 9, 2024, our system has identified Uber as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 8.32. Now, let's take a closer look at how the stock has performed during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed a remarkable gain of 14.41% since we first recommended buying Uber 19 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has delivered a daily return of 0.76% since it was identified as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend in the short term, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is likely to react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $69.78, it indicates a stronger upward movement. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential change of 27.87% in the coming months. This suggests a possible return ranging between 15.97% and 29.34%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 96.41% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return ranging between 40.88% and 89.07%. Therefore, the stock price could reach anywhere from $97.20 to $130.44 after a year. Our latest update on Uber's stock price reveals that it ended at $68.99 on Monday, with a gain of 1.35%. On the last trading day, which was Monday, February 5, 2024, the Uber stock price increased from $68.07 to $68.99, showing a gain of 1.35%. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if the upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations, ranging from a low of $67.86 to a high of $69.99, representing a 3.15% change. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a 6.88% gain. Notably, the volume of shares traded increased along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, 5 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total transaction value of approximately $1.63 billion involving 24 million shares. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Uber's stock reached $69.99, while the lowest price was $29.22. Currently, the stock price is 1.43% or $1 below the 52-week high of $69.99, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Today, I want to talk about analyst ratings for the company Uber. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Bank of America Securities gave Uber a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, Wells Fargo also gave Uber a buy grade with a hold action. However, Truist Financial had a different view and gave Uber an underperform grade with a hold action. Let's go back to Monday, January 22, 2024, when Needham gave Uber a buy grade with a hold action. Finally, on Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Tigris Financial gave Uber an underperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Uber stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Today, I want to talk about the signals we've identified for Uber. We have mostly positive signals in the chart for Uber's stock. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a buy signal, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there's a general buy signal when we consider the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case the stock experiences a correction and moves downward, it will find support at $66.91 and $63.04. However, if it breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. Excitingly, we've also seen a buy signal from a pivot bottom point on Friday, January 5, 2024. Since then, the stock has risen by 19.82%. We expect further growth until a new top pivot is discovered. Another positive sign is the buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Notably, the volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a good technical signal. Today, let's explore some interesting signals to guide your investment decisions. Moving average convergence divergence, it's currently showing a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal was detected 21 days ago. Bollinger, another buy signal was observed 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, unfortunately, it generated a sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, however, this indicator generated a buy signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, it showed a buy signal 18 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for more insights. Short moving average, a buy signal was observed 19 days ago. Long-term moving average, this indicator also generated a buy signal 65 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, it showed a buy signal 57 days ago. For more signals and detailed analysis, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Uber. Let's talk about the support levels for Uber's stock. Currently, there is strong support just below today's level at $62.50 and $61.86. When a stock tests a support level, there is always a risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For Uber, the next support levels are at $62.50, $61.86, and $58.63. It's important to assess the risk associated with trading this stock. Uber has average movements during the day and good trading volume, which indicates a medium risk. In the last day, the stock moved $2.13 between its high and low, representing a 3.15% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.41%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Uber, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Uber has a remarkably high PE ratio, which suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 14, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share are at $0.140. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Uber. When looking at the accumulated volume above, we can see that there's no significant resistance. This suggests that if the right conditions are met, the stock could move upward swiftly. In such a case, it might be wise to enter a position and use volume as an indicator for when to exit. On the downside, Uber encounters its first support level at $62.50. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. The average rating for Uber from multiple analysts is buy. Now, let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Thane John A. conducted an insider buy of 371 shares of common stock. On January 16, 2024, Thane John A. conducted an insider sell of 371 shares of restricted stock units. On January 16, 2024, West Tony conducted an insider buy of 1,806 shares of common stock. On January 16, 2024, West Tony conducted an insider sell of 1,240 shares of common stock. On January 16, 2024, West Tony conducted an insider buy of 5,604 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -12.051. Overall, insiders purchased 71,031 shares and sold 90,916 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop-loss level for this stock is $65.13, which represents a decrease of 5.6%. This stock tends to have moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 20 days ago. Is investing in Uber stock a good choice? Uber shows several positive signals and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this, we believe that Uber is a good option at its current levels and we anticipate further gains in the next 3 months. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Tuesday, February 6th, we expect Uber to open with a decrease of $0.0450 and start trading at $68.95. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with its risks. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. As a disclaimer, please note that StockInvest.us is not to be solely relied upon for your investment choices. By accessing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on the stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. Additionally, we'd love to know what your target for the stock is. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day ahead.